This marble is really pretty.
It's really cute, but
Yeah. Hey y'all, I know y'all can't see me, but we're getting into shop right now because, you know, we're about to pack and that stuff.
A few moments later.
I'm home. It's 10:11 p.m. As y'all saw by the title, I'm going to be packing for my trip. Your girl is going on a trip. I'm going to the American Dream Mall. It's in New Jersey. It's an hour away from where I'm at. So excited. The American Dream Mall is huge and I'm so excited. I already said that, but I'm so excited. We have a suite. We're staying in the suite for not even 2 to 3 days. And of course we gotta pack, you know, we gotta look good when we go out there. So we're gonna pack and that stuff. As y'all saw, we were looking for suitcases and we started shopping for the food that we want to bring there and that stuff. Y'all, it's been a long day because tomorrow's literally my birthday, and I'm packing tonight and it's gonna be a lot. So yeah, we're gonna be packing and that stuff, but first I'm going to hop in a shower. I just got done wrapping up my hair and I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna start packing. And yeah, so as I said, y'all, we're going to the American Dream Mall and we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna stay in a suite. It's looking, we live in lavish. That's all we. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, we're living lavish, and that's on period. Okay, we're living lavish. But yeah, I do need to start packing, and yeah, I don't really even know what I want to wear on the trip. Like, I planned out the outfits that I want to wear, but I already wore them outfits, so it's like, yeah. And then I'm like, I want to wear pink because it's gonna be like my birthday celebration basically. Okay, so my room does look a mess, but I kind of know what I want to bring for like shoes wise, not outfit wise. So yeah, sorry if the lighting is bad. I'm on the floor because I want to show y'all the Crocs that I want to bring. These are not them. Let me get them. So these Crocs I got for my birthday. So yeah, these are the Crocs. Let me open up. I want to wear an outfit with these. So cute. So yeah, I need to make an outfit with these. And then I want to wear my, I don't know, I have no clue. So give me a minute, I'll be back with y'all. So I know this is a weird position, but I'm not wearing the pink Crocs anymore. I'm gonna wear these. Okay, so here is one of the outfits. I got this yellow jean jacket with these socks, with this pink book bag, with these light wash jeans, and this shirt with the Crocs. So yeah, this is the first outfit. This is like the outfit for like fun activities. This is the next outfit. This is my back home outfit. It's just this black dress with this hat and with these socks, and I'm gonna wear this outfit with my black and white Converses and with a really cute black type of purse or whatever. So yeah, this is my back home outfit, and this is my shopping outfit when we start shopping and that stuff. I'm gonna wear this white like ruffled shirt and these pants, and I'm gonna wear this with my platform Uggs and with a very cute purse. And this is just an extra outfit. It's just this, it's a cropped shirt that says New York, Brooklyn, New York basically, and I'm gonna wear it with this overall, and I might wear this with like my large Converses, or I can wear it with my orange Converses. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but yeah, this is just an extra outfit just in case, you know. Okay, so I got all of my outfits. Now I need to get my socks. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. My fan is on. It's hot. So yeah, I'm gonna have some captions on the screen so you can know what I'm saying. Now I gotta find my socks. I'm gonna find my socks. These are the socks that I'm bringing, and my Looney Tunes socks and my SpongeBob socks too. But I'm just gonna show these for right now. So I found my socks. Now I have to look for my bras and my t-shirts, and then my jewelry, and my purses, my shoes, kinda, my hygiene stuff. We got a lot, so let's just get it done. Okay, so I'm downstairs in the living room now. I'm getting ready to fold my clothes, and then I'm gonna leave them on a chair so my mom can put it in the suitcase for me. And then I'm gonna go back upstairs to get all of the extra stuff, like my hygiene stuff, my jewelry, and my purses. I'm not gonna put that in the suitcase. I'm gonna put it in my own little bag, even though we might be having our own suitcases. I'm not sure yet, but right now I'm just getting ready to fold the clothes that I'm bringing.
No matter what you say, what you do, but I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside.
Okay, so I'm back in my room, and I'm getting ready to pack the jewelry, my purses, and my shoes. I only packed my clothes. Let's get into that. We're gonna use this bag for some of this stuff.
2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. Crew at my house, and we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go why is it mine? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa, got it flipping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so.
Okay, oh, that's what I'm forgetting. I'm forgetting my pajamas, y'all. How am I forgetting my PJs? So, wait. Let me get a sandwich bag so I can get my shoes at least.
Lava, yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message.
Wrong one. These are, I don't like taking my Crocs. I want to put my box in here, but I can't put my box in here. I'm gonna just take it out of the box.
From Viber, either the head is so higher, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The status shit is I'm bad as it means they took from the cabinet.
So I know this is a weird position, but I need to get more of my shoes. I'm wearing my black and white Converses, and I'm wearing my platform Uggs. Are these my black and white Converses? No. Let me look for my black and white Converses first. Alright, they right here. Are these it? Or should I wear my Lush black and white Converses? I don't know if I should wear my Lush ones. What? Okay, we're gonna wear. I'm gonna ask my sister. I'm back. So, I'm gonna wear my regular black and white Converses because I'm gonna be wearing the long, well, not long, but the socks, the Space Jam socks, and I don't think it's gonna look right with the Lush ones. So, I'm just wearing my regular black and white Converses. And I'm just gonna put it in a sandwich bag because I cannot bring my box with me.
Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back. Do this, hold up.
No matter what you say.
And I need my Uggs. My platform and my Uggs right here. Oh, I don't want to take these babes out the box. I don't want to take these shoes out the box. We're not taking these out the box. I'm going to carry them to these things because how...
I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005, oh yeah.
Hold up,
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 Oh yeah.
hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do,
like a mom. And no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo.
Okay, so y'all, this is all my stuff, and then more stuff, and then more stuff, and then we got more stuff to put in there too. We're packing like we leaving forever, right? Look at her makeup. She about to do my makeup in a minute. Okay, you gotta wait, because I gotta take my quiz. But yeah, this is where all my hygiene stuff is at. This is just like things that I really need to survive off of. Like my shoes are in here, my black tank tops, my everything. And then in here is things I need to survive off of too. My chargers, my lip gloss, gum, mints, everything like that. And then these are my clothes. And Mr. Teacher is talking. So don't even worry about that voice in the back. And these are my clothes too. And yeah, so I'm about to go back upstairs because I need to, what do I need to do? I'm almost done cleaning my room, y'all, because I did start cleaning my room. Okay, so this is what my room is looking like. I'm literally almost done cleaning up my room. I just need to move these over here. And I need to bring these because these are the shoes that I'm wearing with my dress. And I need to bring this because it is supposed to be raining. So let me put this right here. And I have to take my Uggs out the box because I can't bring the box in the hotel.
Like drop, fuck that door like